I'm not joking, that star's moving. There's a star moving across the sky. Saw it across my Velux window. A sure sign of Watchtower will go down on the 25th of August. Oh my God, look at it. It's going near the Watchtower. That is definitely moving, look. That's not an aircraft. Oh my God. And it's gone. I just saw it. Yeah, and my camera's gone supernatural again, look. The lights are all, the street lights are all spread out across the street, look. Harrier Court, that's gone weird again. Doesn't always do it, but whenever there's a supernatural thing, it'll do it. Anyway, I'm going to get this uploaded to YouTube now. Bye for now.